How to add students to ThriveCart Learn from ConvertKit form submission automatically. So let's say you have created a course sign up form using ConvertKit application. So whenever a form is submitted by user, I will show you how you can automatically add that user to a course which you have created inside ThriveCart Learn application. Want to learn how you can also automate this user enrollment process? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. Alright, so this is the dashboard of ConvertKit where I have created a course sign up form, and whenever any new user submits that form, the same user will be enrolled automatically into the course which I have created in this ThriveCart Learn application. Okay, and to automate this whole process, we will have to build a connection, build an integration in this ConvertKit and ThriveCart application, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software, and one can connect multiple applications and automate their tasks using the same software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so how about I provide the name something like add student to course in ThriveCart from ConvertKit. Okay, I'm providing this random name. I hope the spellings are correct. It should be ThriveCart and this ConvertKit. Okay, now it will ask you to select the folder in which you want to create your automation workflow. So I'll be going with this main workflow folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. So in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, now according to our use case, I want that whatever the form I have created in this ConvertKit application, whenever that form is submitted, the same person should be enrolled automatically in ThriveCart. Okay, so let me search for the same application here also. Okay, so in this way I have selected both the applications, and now the idea here is I will be connecting these two one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let's first connect ConvertKit with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so selecting the trigger event, that is whenever any new form subscriber occurs via a specific form. So yes, I want to perform the same, so I have selected the same. Now click on connect, click on add a new connection, and for the connection it will ask you for the API key and this API secret. So from where you can get the following things. After login you will have to go to your account setting. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Let's look for the account setting. Okay, this is the settings option, and now I am finally looking for the API secret key and the token. Okay, so scrolling down and looking for the same, and here under this advanced section you can actually find the following things. Okay, so this is the API key. Let me copy and paste the same here, and for the API secret I will have to come back here, and now I'll click on this show button, and from here I can copy this API secret also. Okay, now clicking on save, and in this way my ConvertKit account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect, and whatever the forms are already available inside my ConvertKit dashboard, the same forms are visible here because we are connected. Now I will be selecting the form from which I would like to capture the subscriber details, basically the user details, so that I can send that user details to ThriveCart application in order to enroll those users into a specific course. Okay, now I'll be clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will notice that it will start waiting for the response. Okay, so how about I come back to my ConvertKit dashboard, and now I am going to open the same form. Basically I am going to preview that form, and then I am going to make a dummy submission via that form, and as soon as I do that you will notice that the same form submission data will be received via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so the form, this basic form is already created. How about I directly copy the link of that form? So clicking on this publish, clicking on share, and here we have the link of the form. Give me a second, let me open the same. And now using some dummy information, I am going to submit that form. Demo user, okay, I'm really sorry, it is the email address field. So demo user 1234 at pabblycutes.com. okay, this is just a dummy email address. Demo user is going to be the name. Let me also add some random phone number. Okay, so I have added a 10-digit phone number. Clicking on this send me the guide, and here you can notice it is saying now check your email to confirm your subscription. Okay, so give me a second, let me first confirm this email address, and then you will notice as soon as I confirm that email address, the details of that person will be received here as a response. Alright, so the subscription is confirmed. Coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice the response is received. Let me even show you the details one by one. Here we have the subscriber ID, the first name as demo, the same phone number, we also have the last name and this email address, and even the date and time. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between ConvertKit and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time someone will submit this form, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I'll show you how you can add that user as a student in our course. Okay, so selecting the action event, that is create new student, and just like we have connected ConvertKit with Pabbly Connect, now I'll be connecting this ThriveCart Learn with the Pabbly Connect. For that I will have to visit this API and webhook option. So if you are already logged in, you can directly click here, and then you can directly click on this API keys option, from where either you can create a new key or you can also use the existing key. Okay, so how about I view and use the existing key? Coming back to the dashboard, let me paste the same. Now clicking on save, and in this way my ThriveCart application will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and the very first thing it is asking for the email address of the student to whom you want to enroll into the course. Okay, so the interesting thing here is I am not going to manually copy the email address of the person from the above steps response and paste below again and again for every new subscriber. Okay, I am going to map these details so that it can be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. And mapping is very simple. You just need to click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me search for that data, and in this way it will be mapped. Okay, so whatever the details you will map here will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time, or we can say whenever a new user is arrived by filling out our form. Okay, so now it is asking for the course ID, which you can get from here only. Basically you will have to preview the course. Okay, this is the basics of PHP course, and you can find this course ID from the URL. Okay, scroll here, basically go to extreme right, and you will find this course ID which I have copied. Coming back, let me paste the same. Further it is asking for the name of the person, which again I am going to map from this drop down, and here I have mapped. I am actually searching for the first name. Now I will give a space and will map the last name as well. Moving further, it is asking for the tag. Well, these fields are not actually mandatory, so how about I proceed further in the same way without filling any information, and in the purchased type, choose the purchased type here. So how about I first enable this mapping button, and for now I am leaving this field blank. Okay, and in the purchase ID also I am going to leave all these fields blank. blank. Finally, I'll be clicking on this button, save and send test request, and you will notice that the same user will be enrolled into the course of ThriveCart. Okay, so the positive responses received, that means our automation is working absolutely fine. And here you can find it is showing that there are 5 students. How about I check for the same? Okay, so from where I can actually check it, I have clicked on this my student section, and you can find the same email address here. Clicking on this view profile option, and did you notice this person is already enrolled? Basically the access has granted manually of this specific course. Okay, so in this way, by integrating ConvertKit and ThriveCart, you can automate the process of course enrollment, or we can say user enrollment into the course. Okay, and that is possible with the help of this automation software Pabbly Connect. Yes, you just need to create this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the back end. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this 2-step automation inside your own Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So click on this link, sign up for free to the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.